Oh, give the thing time to focus. There we go. All right, I'm feeling a little better this morning. Thought we'd go out and do another video. New Year's Eve. So what happened here? Did a poodle meet something and sort of get discombobulated? Doesn't seem to be too many people out today. Good. So a couple things I wanted to talk to you guys about was a horrible thing that's happened here on planet Earth. This makes the 4th consecutive year of record-breaking temperatures on planet Earth. That's astounding. That's never happened before. I guess that's why it's called record-breaking. And the reason for that, as I showed on my last video, the CO2 count is through the roof, and going up so fast. If you guys want to see that, just go back to my last video, link down below, and you can see the last CO2 count. That's pretty shocking stuff. But as we go down this road, now starting last year and continuing on next summer, we're watching Australia with their temperatures going through the roof. Soon it'll be time for North America and the northern hemisphere of the planet Earth to start going through another hot summer. What's it going to be like this year? Well, as we see things happen because of climate change, one thing we've already seen is a pretty astounding event that happened in the Antarctica. So Antarctica has these type of winds, and these winds this winter roared to 150 miles an hour. These winds come out of space, basically. The cold air from the upper atmosphere gathers and just sits there and gets colder and colder, and then gets so heavy it just releases and comes screaming down on the South Pole, causing these tremendous winds. The latest information comes from those 4 scientists that did some serious work this year and are now giving us the reports. They say that these winds came down so ferociously that it scoured out the ice all over the Antarctic glacier, all the way down to blue ice. Huge sheets of blue ice, which are your very old ice, were exposed. Apparently when these winds were blowing along the ground at 150 miles an hour, it was basically a catastrophe. If there's anything in the way of all this stuff blowing, ice, rocks, snow, all blowing at the same time, you know that that's like a bulldozer taking out everything. Mountains of ice, scouring out huge lakes and ulcers throughout the Antarctic continent. Again, it's just a warning. 150 mile an hour winds. Who knows what's to come in the next year. But I certainly appreciate all you guys being on the channel this year. If you continue to watch next year, I'll try and come up with as many fixes as possible as this nightmare continues on planet Earth. So, until next year.